There's a couple of ways to view and edit all your saved passwords on Android. The quickest way to access your passwords is actually through Chrome, since they're all stored in Google Password Manager. Go to Chrome, tap the three dots on the top, and from there, go to Settings. Usually settings will be all the way on the bottom, so you might need to scroll down a bit to see it. Once you're in the settings, you'll scroll down to Google Password Manager, which is what holds all your passwords. Mine doesn't have a ton saved here, but I can choose an account from the list or use the search bar to search for a specific app or website. And here I'll see my username and password for every platform I've saved it for. You'll need a PIN code or fingerprint to view any of these, so they're nice and secure. I can copy both my username and password from here if I want to paste and enter then in another app. I can tap the I button to reveal the password, and I can use the edit button on the bottom if I want to update my login info for this particular app. This is also where you could delete any saved passwords, and the notes field allows you to add notes. For example, an answer to your security question if you have one set up. The other place where you'll find all this is in your settings. You'll go to Settings and then scroll down to Google. Then choose All Services, and from there you'll find Autofill with Google, and from there, Google Password Manager. Quite a few steps, so this is why Chrome is the easier way to access these. If you want, you can add a shortcut to your home screen to access the Password Manager with a single tap. First, you'll tap Settings on the bottom right corner, and then scroll down where you see an option to add a shortcut to your home screen. This puts an icon to your home screen, and now you can jump straight into your Password Manager with a single tap. And that's how you check your saved passwords. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.